Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. Well, I'm stuck with you, but today I'm not smiling, like, to be quite honest. Like, I went outside just to dust my shoes off, because, you know, I'm going to church, as you guys saw in my story time. But then I was like, you know what? Let me dust it off on the veranda, because I don't want to get any dust in the room. But look at this. Look at this. Do you know who caused this? Oh, good guess, my friend. My dogs. My dogs. They, bro. You know what's so funny? That's my new neighbor's dog. They got a very beautiful, what you call that dog again? It's a Great Dane. It's a gray one. It's a gray one. But anyway, like, I kept on seeing them with Sponge, and I was like, yo, where they getting Sponge from? Like, where is Sponge, like, available in my house? Now I know. I will kill him. I will kill him. Alright guys, so problem solved. All my dogs are on the back, buried. So I have no more dogs. These dogs are fucking face, bro. So guys, I just got done having a shower and it just came to my head that I gotta tell you guys this is really important. You guys do not want any dogs because dogs are bitches. Did anyone get that? Anyone got it? No? You at the back? You didn't get it? Huh? Why didn't you get it? You're a little bit slow, huh? Did your mom by any chance drop you the back of your head? Oh shit. That's the part where the speed is, bro. She messed you up for the rest of your life. But let me explain that little joke to you really quick. You know, because female dogs are called bitches and they mess everything up. Like they messed up my couch back there. No, you still didn't get it. Okay, no big deal. Are you by any, one question please. Are you by any chance related to a turtle? No. Oh, a tortoise. That's why you're so slow and old. Anyway, back to sanity. I just got done showering just now. Yeah, I'm a little bit crazy, guys. Like, you guys gotta get used to it. I just got done showering just now. Quick fix for that problem my dogs created. What I'm gonna do is just to whenever they get bigger and cannot fit through the grill, I'm gonna get a, you know, get new sponge again and just rematerial it, and then that's it. But that's dogs, guys. They're gonna always be causing problems in your life, especially as puppies, because they got a lot of energy. They jump on my car, they scratch that crap up. Like, it's annoying, but that's a bit about having dogs. So the next time you should be seeing me, I should be in the car or in the church. So funny story, guys. So you know, I'm just looking in this pile of clothes. I know some of y'all do it. My sister's not here, so I got all my clean clothes just thrown on her bed. Honesty is the best policy, baby. And I was looking for a socks. I was looking for the socks, and you know, with human nature, you can see eyes. Like when eyes are looking at you, it's easy to find. And I looked across on her dress and I saw this little dinosaur. I hope he doesn't run super faster. I hope you guys can see this nigga. But he's all camped out. He is right there. And he's just looking. Oh shit, he turned his head. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Anyway guys, enough tomfoolery. I'm back to the case of the missing sock. I don't think I'm gonna find this sock. As a matter of fact, Judah was calling me. She was like, are you okay? I guess she's wondering why I'm not at churches yet, but I don't know. Dear Jesus, I'm on my way to church, not to heaven, Lord.
And the prophecy caused turbulence in his family. Because he wasn't doing what the prophecy was saying he was supposed to do. And the same prophecy that same one would die if he not do. Still alive.
Alright guys, so I pretty much just got done with church. What's so funny about today's service was that it's the same thing that I was talking about in the video before. I was talking about, you know, prophecies and whatever. And it was so funny, he was talking about prophecies and he was saying, like, prophecy don't mean nothing. I don't know if I said it in the video, but prophecies really don't mean nothing unless like you work towards it. So for everyone who's gonna make those New Year's resolutions, you're gonna say all those stuff that you're gonna do. You have to work towards it. You might not achieve all of them, but you have to work towards it. For me personally, like every single year, in maybe the past 2 years or so, I've been making like maybe 5 resolutions where like 3 of them are realistic, where it's easy for me to achieve them, and then the other 3 are maybe a little bit far-fetched. But it doesn't mean that if I don't achieve the resolution at the end of the year, it means that I failed, but at least I'm one step closer to completing that that resolution. So yeah, that's pretty much the prayer. I don't know what's gonna happen now, because I heard Pastor was talking about like coming back at 10 p.m. tonight. Bruh, like I don't know, but we'll see. Judah, leave me alone. I need to put this on the vlog.
You don't need, why?
So guys, I'm over by Judah's house after church, and I took my shirt off on my tie. So of course, you know, this is her parents' house, so I'm here, and so I asked her, Judah, can you put this in your room for me? Whatever.
Before this, I told him,
I always have some excuse.
hang it up on the doorknob or put it over the bed head. Why is he asking me to put it up for him?
Out of prime principle and etiquette, would you go into your girlfriend's room?
The door is right there though, you don't have to go inside.
And I hang this up. She's going to walk past her room, you know, and I was giving her just pass it. Yeah, can I go show up for the vlog? But that's not how she is, guys. She's a horrible person.
What you just say? What you just say?
That should beat me, guys. Guys.
Stop.
So I could go through something.
Every whisper in that eye.
Guys, this was crack back in the 80s and the 90s. Get a whip. Oh god, do you smell this? Take me back, baby. Alright guys, so Judah wants me to show, I don't know why, but she wants to show me the lasagna she bought from Mega Mart.
Excuse me? Don't be rude.
Where the Mega Mart lasagna is?
There's no such thing as Mega Mart lasagna, okay? This is homemade.
Follow her.
Cracked stuff. But it kind of...
Ooh.
You gotta wait till we cut it though, so you see the magic. Do you see under that? You see the magic? Yeah.
You taste whipped cream from where?
At home.
At home, how?
Because I eat whipped cream.
Tell me because we have whipped cream, not because you eat it, because you have it.
I want cream.
You want cream now?
Yes.
Isn't it finished?
No.
Oh, it's right here?
Yes.
This is it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's for adults.
Yes. You don't.
Let's even help you. Are you good? You good? Okay.
It's not spraying, you know.
Why are you telling Steven to shush? Why are you telling him that?
Hey.
Oh, you're training her for be bossy.
Just eat it.
Stephen Police. So in this moment, in this part of the vlog, guys, you're just gonna make Judah handle her stuff in the kitchen. She's gonna try to throw down.
Try to?
Yeah, you're gonna try to throw down.
What?
Girl, you don't want a salad in there though.
Anybody will cook out of a
I'm not finished eating it.
tin?
I'm gonna just add it to something. Chill.
I'm doing my breakfast to eat.
Okay, do your thing. I still can't find the...
So what are you gonna be making with this?
Just cool. When it's all done and done, you'll see.
See, your sister's smart. She's opting to eat her breakfast instead of having your dinner. God damn. Now at the moment
Yeah,
we're watching as the Judah struggles to assert herself in the kitchen, to figure out where what is what. And what is so unassuming is that this is her house, her place of abode, but she still hasn't quite figured it out. I have no clue how she's able to interact with the narrator,
Tell him to stop.
but
I said stop it, Steven. Judah is calling you.
Yeah, and you know you're... That's me right there. Because you know that we just rearranged the kitchen.
anyway,
And I still
now the Judah still is making an
So
excuse,
bye.
as always. She makes excuses for everything.
Go watch some TV. Come watch the kitchen. Come. Go.
I'm not watching the TV.
Come.
As the Judah started to peel the potato, she was at a failed, unvaliant attempt to create this meal, but we will see on the next episode when she decides to come back in the kitchen. The Judah is back and she's about to peel a potato.
Or I'm about to wet you up.
She's about to remember I said I have a camera, so you pick a struggle.
That's okay.
You go and watch TV.
You know, what you might realize in the wild, the Judahs do not like to be observed. There's no Mega Mart here to save you, Judah.
You want to see how far this can stretch?
Judah. I'm not even playing right now. Judah, we need to see you peel this potato. That's not so difficult, not to peel a potato. The Judah looks so confused.
More like annoyed.
Annoyed? Really?
Emotions right now. Why are you still here?
Now the Judah decides to put a little bit of salt into the water. What is the purpose of this, Judah?
We don't use any ingredients.
What is that? That's a big vocabulary word, but okay. And the Judah is struggling to cut.
Can you leave me alone? Jesus.
He saves. I'm not so sure he's going to be able to help you to peel this potato.
Going on?
Judah. So just in favor of this vlog, I will cut the footage here because I don't want the vlog footage to be too long. But we'll be back in the next 5 minutes when this potato is done being peeled.
You still here, fam?
10 minutes
Why are you still
later.
here? Why is that lie?
So the Judah is actually struggling to find a cutting angle. The Judah seems very angry. I only wish she would take out this anger on the potato. You see that guy?
Let's make yourself useful. Come on now.
You can know that this process has been taking a very long time because we can see the oxidization taking full effect on the potato. It was actually a nice, lustful yellow. Now it's a little bit red.
Red? Where's the red? Red is my shirt. My top. Where's the red? Please show me the red.
You know colors, but you still don't know to peel a potato. Judah has requested a little bit of help to peel a potato. I'm going to help her to peel one potato. Just one. I'm trying to put you guys on a pedestal. Let's see if I...
Do get the next knife now?
Where is the next knife?
Knives are over there. Knife is in the drawer.
This knife is very dull. And this is... I don't have something like a potato peeler.
No, can't find it.
After the Judah took a decade to peel one potato.
Alright, switch knives.
Huh?
There we go, switch knives.
What's the difference?
You see.
So just switch knives, guys. Actually, this is a better knife because it's a paring knife. So it's a lot smaller, more agile, and it's actually sharper than the one I had before. So.
No, this seems sharper.
Kudos to you, Judah. This is actually a sharper knife. And a lot easier.
We're much faster with this one.
You know some people that are stubborn, guys, so no matter what you tell them, stick broken at them ears.
Yep, that's me.
So we just got done helping the Judah accomplish her task. The Judah will soon ask for more help again.
Tired, don't get me. Tired. Well,
So guys, Judah has never seen a twin planting before. Oh my God.
am I doing it right, Mom?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Is there anyone on the vlog who's never seen a twin planting?
I've
Please send
never
a
seen
comment.
a twin planting before.
Please send a comment.
Guys, don't send me out enough.
So Judah's mom just served me some red pea soup. And look what I seen there. Big. Now the best part, baby. Alright guys, so we pretty much got done eating. I helped Judah kind of, let's say, pack up a little bit. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and then continue on to another vlog. I'm gonna be going out tonight. Nothing big, just like hanging with friends and family or whatever it is. So as always guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. And if you love the video, remember to hit that link and hit the subscribe button, because some of y'all did miss me. Some people did message and say, yo, we're not seeing no vlogs on Ray. Pick up all those people who did, you know, show some concern. So anyway guys, we'll see you next time. Keep the link. Say bye.
Bye.